programs or online classroom. So this is the current situation. So in particular context, I would like to show you here the province of East Kalimantan, which consists of 10 10 districts and municipalities. And here, I'll show you, this is the context of Samarinda. Probably for those who have been in Samarinda, you're familiar with this. We also have this Balikpapan as a gateway. So Samarinda is the capital city of East Kalimantan, and Balikpapan is the gateway. And this is the district of Penajam, Pasir Utara, which will be, most of this area will be the place for the capital city of Indonesia. And here I'll show you some of life situation along Mahakam River as one of the biggest rivers in Indonesia. So by showing these pictures, you will probably get some ideas what the context would like that I conducted in this study. This is another photo of life along with Mahakam River. And this is some schools in inland Mahakam River, in which some of the electricity is off during the daytime, and then it just will be on the night time, 6 o'clock in the morning until, off in the 6 o'clock in the morning until at noon. And here the transportations, some people sometimes need to go through the rapid currents to reach their home in some location in an inland of Mahakam River, like this picture. So, the participating teachers involved in my study, there are 2 teachers from Samarinda, totally it's about 14 teachers from 3 districts and 3 municipalities. I have limited time to collect the data, so I do not have many participants involved in the study. I distribute open questions and focusing on the challenges and opportunities for teachers teaching online with this current situation, and focusing on the opportunities and barriers for students from teachers' perspective, challenges for teachers in teaching materials, students' assessment, assignment submission, media, and the feedback. I analyze using simple statistics just for the frequencies, and this is the finding that I got, that here the findings demonstrated that at least 5 positive things which is most teachers perceive about teaching online. They become more understand about the media and technology used for their own teaching. They become more creative in providing the materials and how to deliver them. They perceive that they can teach anytime, as it depends on them, and they also can teach anywhere they want, more flexible in a place. As they more engage in the internet, they found that they can get teaching media easily. This is the example of the responses of the teachers. Whether they like it or not, you must do it, So this is also positive to upgrade the knowledge of skills and the use of information technology by the teachers. This is one positive example, but also I found that teachers saying that there are not many positive effects in online teaching, because I'm a mother of 4 small children. So, here she has difficulty in managing the time, because working time should be at schools, not at home. And here, some challenges for students from the teacher's perspective, that teachers perceive that learning online for students allow them to cheat in terms of completing their assignments, and students have limited character to develop, in which essential in education, limited internet connection, they have problem with internet signal, and then also indefinite time to learn, so that students forget about the assignment submission. Lack of technology knowledge, and I sure also included about the challenges from the students, from the teachers' perspectives. This is one response from the teachers that the barriers of teaching and learning online, not only for the students, but also for the teachers. Lack of supervision. The teachers cannot see the students' responses, so lack of interaction. And also here that the students cannot focus, so probably they have more time to play with their mobile phones. This is an example of the difficulties encountered by the students in inland of Mahakam River. So this is the example of the students complain about the internet connection. Next is about teaching material. The challenges of the teachers face is about teaching material, how to have detailed and clear teaching passes in delivering the materials. Also, they have difficulties in which media is appropriate to deliver their materials. This is the problems of the teachers in teaching materials. Next is about students' assessment. Although the questions asked about difficulties in students' assessment, however, the students' responses about what kind of assessment they applied for the students. So the teacher response is slightly different from what I expected. So the students' assessment that usually teachers use is about presentation, portfolio, and written tests. But mostly it's about portfolio and written tests. This is the media that the teachers use for student submission of their assignment. Mostly it's dominated through WhatsApp, Google Class, email, and Edmodo. So these four, but it's dominated is by WhatsApp, the easiest way to deliver the student submission, submission of the assignment. And media or application that used by the teachers to deliver their teaching material is Google Class, WhatsApp, Zoom, and Google Meet. Next, here is about how the teachers provide the feedback to their students. Mostly is from the media of Google Class, Zoom, and WhatsApp. So from this small research as a preliminary study, the findings have demonstrated that teaching online provide more opportunities for teachers to have more understanding about media and technology, to be more creative in delivering the materials, to be more flexible in time and place, and also they can have more coverage of topics and media used in their teaching. And also their perspectives about the barriers for the students from teachers' perspective is about they tend to cheat, lack of social characters. Also, even though the internet connection and indefinite time to learn, lack of technological knowledge is also part of the teachers' students' barriers, but I guess this also the problems for the teachers. So, challenges encountered by the teachers and the students from the teachers' perspectives can be about teaching materials, personal issues, for example, like family, knowledge of ICT, or facilities about internet connection. This study is just only limited only for 14 students in some districts, so the findings cannot be generalized. However, this small findings probably could represent an examples of a context in Indonesia settings, which is mostly in Indonesia situation. So further study calls for more participants and more diverse settings. So there needs further action to overcome, or at least to lessen some challenges and difficulties related to teaching online, particularly from the teachers. Small action can be done by the teachers to improve their competencies related to ICT is through professional development, because we cannot solve all those problems, but at least teacher can do small action. So this is for the teachers in this situation of and the use of technology. I quote from Bill Gates, technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them. The teacher is the most important. Just remember the teacher that technology is just the tool. Do not give up, keep inspiring and motivating as a teacher to your students.